What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Trill Young Wavy, man, back with another video, man. Sorry I don't have my camera right now, but I'm at UTI, as you can see, bro. I'm in school for collision repair, and we just getting it in. We actually starting to do some primer. So for this next video, man, I'm gonna go and show y'all my work with me priming, man. So this is gonna be a very short video, man. So if you're new to the channel, man, anything that deals with cars, car meets, car drift, man, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and let's get right to it. Deuces.